Hi, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about review manipulation. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the ring bell button below so you get notified whenever we post a new tutorial. So today we at Got Suspended are going to add a bit of dangerous flair to our topic by talking about review manipulations on Amazon. We're doing this because we want you to be informed and not to play with fire. We already know what happens when you play with fire, which is Amazon account suspension. Here is the gist of the deal. You offer money in exchange for a customer writing a positive review, or you bribe a customer into retracting a negative one. You call the shots, but stop and think for a second. Is it really worth the risk? Also, keep in mind that it is strictly against Amazon's rules, since satisfied customers are always a top priority for Amazon. Writing false or manipulated reviews hinders this process and might even kick off a chain reaction of trying to have suspended Amazon seller accounts reinstated. However, there are many scammers out there who plug good cash on this, since there are many sellers who are ready to pay in exchange for a positive review. Even your friend's review on your product is considered to be a violation of Amazon's rules and can get your Amazon account suspended. You also cannot and should not offer compensation in exchange for a positive review. It's basically bribing. However, there are some exceptions. For example, Amazon allows us to post an answer through Amazon's question answer feature. An answer, not a prompt. Think twice before asking your friend or family member to write a review for your product. There were some examples when the seller had other buyers who used the same IP address write a positive review, and as a result, the seller account has been suspended due to feedback manipulation. Sometimes it's not even your fault. Mom and dad might pitch in to help your store, unknowingly getting you suspended. If you come across such situations, try to reach out to Amazon or their legal team. But it would be better to hire a professional who will be able to handle this problem for you. We at Got Suspended clients have lawyers on our team, which is our competitive advantage. So if you're having problems, book a call with us and let's help get you back on Amazon. Thank you for watching, and for more information and content like this, make sure you visit our website gotsuspendedclients.com. Also follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Thank you and bye for now.